Welcome, and get ready to discover a game-changing tool for your creative workflow, the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator. If you've ever spent hours opening PSD files, replacing smart objects, resizing designs, and exporting images one by one, you know how time-consuming and repetitive it can be. This tool changes all of that. The Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator takes those boring, manual tasks and transforms them into a fully automated, lightning-fast process, giving you perfect mockups in just a fraction of the time. Whether you create product images for t-shirts, mugs, posters, packaging, or any other design, this tool is built to deliver speed, accuracy, and professional results. It's not just about saving time. It's about scaling your business, impressing your clients, and freeing yourself to focus on what really matters: creativity. So how does it work? At its core, the Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator automatically places your designs into smart object templates, scales them intelligently to fill the entire canvas, and exports them as ready-to-use images. It works with both single-sided and double-sided products, and it can handle anything from one single PSD file to entire folders containing hundreds of mockups. The scaling system is especially powerful. It uses 3 fallback methods to make sure your design always covers the full area of the smart object, with no blank edges, no empty borders, and no manual resizing required. The Advanced Bulk Mockup Generator isn't just a tool, it's a complete productivity upgrade for anyone working with mockups daily. It saves you hours of repetitive work, delivers consistent, professional results, and lets you focus on designing and selling. So stay with me until the end of this video and see the full generation process in action. You'll watch how this tool takes a task that could take hours and finishes it in just minutes. Enjoy the video, and happy designing.